Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Star and Judo here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a color grading swipe video effect like the one here. So subscribe to my channel and here we go. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a video imported inside of Filmora so that you could do this effect. If you don't have a video, you could go to one of the stock video sites like Pixel. I'll actually give you some links in the description where you could go and try this effect. But in the meantime, here we go. I'm going to import the intro to my web series. I believe I told you about it in one of my previous videos, but here we go. So let me turn the volume down because it might get a little loud. How I'm going to do it is I'm going to actually start it from here. So I'm going to start the color grading. I'm going to cut here. And I'm going to go ahead and just do some color grading as it goes through. Now, it all depends on where you want to start the color grading. So in my case, I'm gonna let it play and then stop right there, make a cut, stop right here, make a cut, stop right there, make a cut. Okay, so now that we have our cuts, what we have to do is we have to put the color grading in, and in order to do that we go to effects in the top, and then these are all color grading or LUTs. You could go to LUTs as well. So I'm gonna use the Mission Impossible in the second one, so it's gonna change from the original to the Mission Impossible to another one and another and so forth. So if you look, it changed the color there. So to get that swipe effect, you go to transition, then you go to the erase slide and you put it in between the cuts. So I'm just resizing the length of how long I want the transition to be. Here we go. I'm just gonna speed this up. All right, I think that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and export the video, and I'm gonna call it LUTs Swipe Video. Now let's play our video. Remember, this has no sound. And there you go. Guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what you want to see me create, and I will do it for you. Until next time.